Hey guys, today on The Butcher's Daughter we're going to make Greek-inspired chicken pitas with tons of fresh herbs, lemon juice, and they are so delicious. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Let's get started. Okay, so I have some chicken in a casserole dish. It's just a regular 1 pack of chicken that you get at the grocery store. So I'm going to spray the top of it with a little spray olive oil, just so some of the ingredients stick to it. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. Alright, so I'm going to start off by cutting 4 lemons in half. These lemons are kind of small, so you can get away with 2 or 3 of them, but these are kind of small ones. So we're going to use 4 of them today. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get these lemons juiced on top of this chicken. I'm putting a lot of lemon juice and a lot of salt and pepper, and I'm going to put a lot of herbs because I want to bring a lot of flavor to the chicken because it's typically pretty bland of a food. So I want to make it super flavorful, and I'm not going to add any fat at all to this, so I do think we need to add, make up for that with spices and herbs. So, okay, I'm going to take this over here and start chopping my herbs. Okay, so you just want to sprinkle these herbs over top. We have some fresh oregano and some fresh dill. Okay, and I'm actually going to take just a couple plain sprigs of the oregano so it perfumes that. We have the dill, the oregano, garlic, salt and pepper, and lemon juice. And other than that, we're all set. We're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes until it's all cooked. I'm going to cover it. That way all the juices stay in it for the first half hour, and then for the last 15 minutes I'm going to uncover it so it can dry out and the flavors can concentrate a little bit. Okay, while the chicken is cooking, we're going to make the tzatziki sauce, which is the dressing for our sandwich. We're going to chop up 2 cloves of garlic. I like to chop it pretty small because we don't want to bite. We're not going to cook this garlic, and we don't want to bite into any big chunks of garlic. So you really need to chop it up pretty finely. Okay, we're going to add that to our bowl. Next is the herbs. The only herb we're going to put in this one is some dill. You don't have to add the dill, and if I don't have it, I don't add it either, but it really adds a whole other bright level to this. It's really good. And it's traditionally what they use in Greece. Okay, so now we're going to get our cucumber ready. I don't peel this, adds a little extra texture, and it helps with the grating process. So I grate 1 cucumber. With these cucumbers, you want to take a clean paper towel or kitchen towel and press them down into that strainer to get the extra juice out. If you don't, your tzatziki sauce will be kind of watery, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And now we can go ahead and add those to the bowl as well. One cup of Fage yogurt, the total 0, so it has no fat or anything in it. And you get a lot of protein from this, so that's good. Okay, so now you have this, 2 lemons. now our sauce is all set. Okay, so I'm just getting my accoutrements ready for the sandwiches or the pitas. We have some baby lettuce, or excuse me, we have baby spinach and some spring mix, and I'm gonna cut up some red onion. The chicken's almost done, and when that comes out, we'll assemble our pitas and we'll be good to go. So I just kind of like this onion cut pretty thinly. And you can add cucumbers. We don't really like tomatoes, so we're not going to add those. Okay, so we have everything ready. That way when the chicken is all done, we can just build our pitas and we'll be all set. Okay guys, our chicken is done, and I'm going to cut it pretty thin. Oh, this is so tender. That lemon juice really keeps it so moist. Okay guys, let's start building these pitas. So I went ahead and I cut them in half so they have the nice little pockets in them. And the first thing I'm going to do is take some of this tzatziki sauce that we made, just a spoonful, put that in there. Some fresh baby spinach, a little bit of spring mix, a couple pieces of onion, and finally some of our chicken, and then maybe top it with a little bit more tzatziki sauce. And there you have it, chicken and tzatziki pitas. Fresh herbs, tons of great flavor in these guys. You definitely want to give them a try. Thanks so much. Hey guys, if you tried today's recipe, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much.